In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom search queries in Copilot Studio while keeping the conversational context. We'll start inside your Copilot Studio dashboard. Once you're there, select the specific Copilot you want to update. This is the bot where your new search experience will live, so make sure you're working in the correct one before moving forward. Next, go to the Topics tab from the left-hand menu and open the topic where you want to add the search functionality. This is where you'll define how the conversation should collect a user's request and send it out for processing. Now add a new question node in the part of the topic where you want to prompt the user for input. The goal here is to capture exactly what the user is asking for and store that response in a variable. That variable becomes important later because it gives your search process the user's actual words instead of a hard-coded phrase. And after that, create a new call and action node and choose Create a Flow. This will open Power Automate, where you'll build the logic that handles the search in the background. Inside Power Automate, set up the trigger so it can accept the user variable coming from Copilot Studio as an input parameter. This creates the connection between the conversation and the flow, allowing the search to respond dynamically to whatever the user types. Then add a Dataverse or SharePoint search action, depending on where your content lives. In that action, map the search query field to the incoming user variable. This ensures the flow uses the real search text provided by the user, which makes the experience much more flexible and useful. To maintain conversational context, add a compose action. In that compose step, combine the user's latest question with previous messages that are stored in your bot session variables. This helps the system understand not just the current message, but also what the conversation has already been about. Once that combined context string